In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Steam desktop tools. If a utility you tried is taking up space or you just don't need it anymore, uninstalling it through Steam is quick, safe, and fully reversible. Start by opening the Steam desktop app and signing in if prompted. Before you make changes, it's a good idea to close any tool you plan to remove and pause active downloads so Steam can clean up files without interruptions. At the top of the window, click Library. This is where everything you own lives, including desktop tools and utilities. If your library is set to show only games, switch the view to include software or tools, or simply use the search bar in the top left to find the exact tool by name. Typing a few characters will filter the list immediately, which is helpful if you have a large collection. Once you see the tool you want to remove, right-click it. You can do this from the left sidebar list or from the main grid view, both open the same context menu. Hover your mouse over Manage to expand more options, then click Uninstall. Steam will prompt you to confirm. Click Uninstall again to proceed. Steam will remove the local files from your computer, freeing up disk space. If you notice the uninstall option is grayed out, make sure the tool isn't running in the background, then try again. After a moment, the tool's status in your library will change to install, indicating it's no longer on your device. Your license remains tied to your account, so if you ever need it again, just click Install and Steam will download it fresh. That's especially useful if you're troubleshooting an issue and want a clean reinstall later. To wrap up, open Steam, head to Library, find the tool via search, right-click, go to Manage, and choose Uninstall, then confirm. This keeps your system tidy without losing access to anything you've purchased. Thanks for watching, and keep your library streamlined by removing tools you no longer use.